Okay, Lionel, what's for lunch?
Har Cheong Gai, Cantonese favorite.
Are you going to give my recipe away?
Kind of. Why not? Alright, first things first, we have shrimp paste. This is very important for Har Cheong Gai. Without this is not for Har Cheong Gai. It will just normal fried chicken. Then right now I'm going to add in Chincha. For those who don't know what Chincha is, actually fermented shrimps. Yeah, but solid. Eaten with stingray. Sesame oil. A dash. That's about it. Then oyster sauce. You need this. Chinese kitchen, there's always the wu bao, the 5 treasures of kitchen. Oyster sauce, dark soy, light soy. Can't remember the rest. Dior has number 5, Maggie has number 5 too. Maggie number 5. Like Dior number 5.
Will you Maggie me?
No, but I definitely have 15 carrots. Sugar goes in. We're gonna get it to a very nice mix. This is good for about 8 chicken wings. And this smells then funky, but it's good. The funkiness of it is so funky. I have no other words to describe this. Funky. It smells like ass. I wouldn't say it smells like ass. It's food, man. So now I'm gonna add in 8 chicken wings. Okay, get your hands dirty. It's fine. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly with this. This will stay with you. Like corn flour goes in, you can mix it up. Okay. Gently caress the wings.
Caress the wings.
It's like for prawn. So we're gonna let this sit for 15 minutes.
Yeah. Best, how long? Don't tell them. Okay, don't tell them. 15 minutes later.
So now we fry. What you want to do before you throw, you just want to put a bit of butter. Okay, can you see this? And this is ready to fry. So this, okay, can you see? Can you see that? Perfect. Okay. So basically I want to coat my wings in sweet potato starch. So what you're gonna do is gonna go in nicely like that. Okay. Right now I'm gonna make the chili.
Yep.
What do I have? So ginger, 2 slices with the skin on. It's important to have garlic inside. 1 tablespoon, like that. Chilies, I'm not gonna use the whole packet. So you just want to break them up in your blender. You don't want to chop them up. I have another 4 more. It's gonna make it spicy. If you can't eat too spicy, add less. Because the water contents come from the red chilies. The spiciness comes from the chili padi. Ta-da! Salt comes preserved the chili. And my favorite part, adding the vinegar. I like to use rice vinegar, rice wine vinegar. And we are done. Har Cheong Gai. So simple. Subscribe to podcast to see more of these nice videos. Good stuff.